Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to solve Bluetooth problem on Redmi mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting. After that you have to scroll a little bit to connection and sharing. So here you have to click on this connection and sharing. Okay, just click on it. After that again you have to scroll on the down, then here you are going to find this reset Wi-Fi mobile networks and Bluetooth. You have to click here. Okay, then here you can see the Wi-Fi mobile data Bluetooth. You just click on reset setting and click on reset. Okay, just click on reset setting and click on OK. The Bluetooth problem will be solved on your mobile phone. Not only Bluetooth, even the mobile data problem and Wi-Fi problem will be solved. Okay, no need to be scared. You just click on this reset setting and click on OK. It will be solved. Okay, in 3 seconds or 5 seconds it will be solved, not taking too much time. Okay, if you have some problem in this fixing, then you can give me a comment. Okay, and friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. And thanks for watching.